Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, tap on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Receive on this Samsung device and Send on this one. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But I will only send one file, for example this photo, so you have to tap on it, click Send and select Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will input password really quick. Click Done. And now, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out for sure, you can always go into Folder My Files, select in my case Images and click on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!